Hi and welcome everyone. In this video, we'll show you how you can add responder to your incidents in Zenduty. Responders are people within a team that an on-call engineer can notify for an incident, whenever the on-call engineer needs subject matter expertise to resolve an incident. To add responder, navigate to your incident page, select the incident, click on Add Responder, select the user, and click on Add. Zenduty will notify the responder depending on their notification rule. Once the responder is notified, the responder can then join the original assignee on the communication channel that are automatically created by Zenduty. Let's take the example of Slack. Let's go ahead and create an incident. Once a new incident is created, the on-call engineer can go ahead and acknowledge the incident. As you can see, the incident is also notified on Slack channel. Add the responder from either the Slack bot or the Zenduty incident page. When the responder is added, those responders will receive an alert and are automatically added to the Slack channel. Once the responder is added to the Slack channel, the responder can then join the on-call engineer in the dedicated comms where the incident is taking place. In this video, we have shown you how a responder can be added to an incident from Zenduty web application and Slack channel.